Female.
Hold it! Right there!
Watch it! That thing's loaded!
No, it ain't loaded!
Dagnabbit, woman, your thieving fox was after my chickens!
Never have I heard such mendacity!
Charlatan! Rubbish and poppycock! I don't believe it. He wouldn't hurt a thing.
You calling me a liar, you muddle-headed female? I saw it happen.
Amos-Lay, that temper of yours is going to get you into a lot of trouble someday.
Temper! Temper, woman, you ain't seen my temper. If I ever catch that fox on my property again, I'll blast him. And next time I won't miss.